Hello dear creative, once again you are welcome to my YouTube channel. It's still your favorite graphic designer, Vixen Tech. This is one of the best channels where you can learn how to design using just your smartphone. So for you to stay connected and updated, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop amazing content. So guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how you can design this amazing church service flyer for your church or for a client, whichever one. You can bank on this method or on this template to create a church flyer design for your client or for your church. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is my PixelLab. Click on the A icon, delete the text, click on the last icon, go to color, change the color to white, then click on the center icon, click on import. Let's import the background that we'll be using to create this amazing church flyer. Yes, this is the background, so stretch it, make sure it covers your workspace. Okay, this is okay. Then click on this icon below the three dots, lock the background. Beautiful. Let's also import another element, which is this. Yes, stretch it, don't worry. We are going to manipulate this particular element. Yes, go to opacity, kindly reduce the opacity. So guys, the reason why we are reducing the opacity is so that this particular element will not compete with the background. Each of them need to stand out, each of them need to be seen. That is why we are adjusting the opacity so that it won't compete with the background. So still reduce it. Okay, this is okay. Click on the good icon, click on this icon below the three dots, also lock it. Click on import. Let's import this right up. Now guys, there's something I want to say. Now this is for those that would like to learn this. This write-up is called 3D text effect, and for you to create this 3D text effect, there's a particular application that is being used to create this text effect. So if you know you would like me to do a tutorial or make a tutorial video on how to create a 3D text effect, kindly drop a comment in the comment section. Yes, do well to notify me in the comment section so that I can make a tutorial video on how you can create a 3D text effect. This text effect is not as difficult as you think. It is very simple. So I want everybody to be carried along because this is a community and everybody needs to know what he or she needs to know for that person to step up, for that person to level up his or her skill. So stretch it. Now click on this icon below the three dots. I want you to drag this text down. Yes, leave it there. Okay, I want the text effect to be behind the other dotted elements. So this is what I want you to do again. Still go back to opacity, click on this dotted element, then go to opacity, reduce it a little, just a little. Okay, this is okay. Click on that icon, still lock it. It's a simple design. We're almost done. Okay, now let's go and import the logo of the church. This is the logo of the church. Reduce it. Okay, now go to position. Okay, place it there for now. Then go to relative size, reduce it again. Then go to position it. Okay, let's leave it there for now. Click on import. Let's import this red stuff. So reduce it. Let's place it here. Now go to your A icon, click on text, go to edit. We'll be writing join us for yes. Click OK. Place it here. Go to color, give it a white color. Beautiful. Go to font. Let's use a peculiar font for this write-up. We'll be using Metropolis semi-bold. Okay, now rotate it a little. Okay, go to size, reduce it a little. Okay, this is okay. Then go to position. Let's position it well. Make sure it is properly positioned. Okay, I think this is okay. Let's do a little adjustment. Click on this icon below the three dots, highlight the text, then go to size, increase it a little, just a little. Then go to position. Okay, click on it, still go back to position. We want it to be at the center of that red stuff. Okay, this is beautiful. Click on this icon below the three dots, click on the logo, click on your center icon, go to relative size. Let's increase the logo a little bit. Okay, this is okay. This is fantastic. Click on import again. Let's import this stuff. Reduce it. Don't worry, you are going to gain access to all the design resources. All you need to do is to join my Telegram group and you will gain access to the design resources. Like I previously mentioned, if you want me to make a tutorial video on how you can create a 3D text effect, don't forget to notify me in the comment section. So guys, let's continue. Increase it a little. This is okay. Okay, this is beautiful. Now let's import those pictures. Okay, don't mind me, I had to use my picture for this design. It's okay. Okay, this is the first image. Now click on this icon below the three dots, highlight it, place it here. Okay, reduce it a little. Just adjust it in such a way that it will look good. Okay, take it down again. This is okay. Now the next image we will import is this. So place it here. Also reduce it. then place it here. So click on this icon below the three dots, take it down. Okay, click on this icon below the three dots, highlight it, go to position, bring it down. This is okay. Okay, I want it to be behind this other image. Okay, this is okay. Okay, click on this icon below the three dots. Let's adjust this image again. Sorry about that. Go back to that image, go to relative size, okay, okay, this is okay. Now for your logo, place it here. Okay guys, this is okay. Now save the design. So click on this icon. Remember to save as project and give it any name of your choice. And also save as image. Change it to ultra. Save to gallery. This is okay. Now let's go and edit this design. So click on Snapseed, click on open, then bring in the image, go to pop. Okay, beautiful. Go to tools, go to tune image, increase the brightness a little, the contrast a little, the ambience a little, the shadow a little. Okay, after that click on this good icon, still go back to tools, go to details, increase the structure a little, increase the sharpening a little. That is all for this design. So guys, if you know that you gained value from this tutorial, please do not forget to drop a comment, like this video, and also share this video to others. Above all, keep practicing, keep learning, because that version of you want to see is waiting for you. Thank you so much. Still your favorite graphic designer, Vixen Tech. Bye. See you in my next video.